My bro, I beg.
Good evening,
I beg.
ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Peller, my little brother. Yeah, I and my family left everything we're doing in Abuja to come through for Peller, because Peller is an inspiration to them Ice King generation. So for that, I rub minds with my sons and I ask them, what can we do for Peller? They said, Daddy,
thank you, boss.
we want Peller to be staying close to Palace 7. You know we have Palace 1, Palace 2, Palace 3, Palace 4, Palace 5, Palace 6, Palace 7. Palace 7 is the one I'm going to celebrate my birthday, my 50th birthday next year. So they said they want Peller to be close to the place. And I said, wow, the houses that are close to the Palace 7, no one is less than 400 million naira. So what do we do? He said, Dad, Peller and Jarvis deserves the mansion. So Peller, on behalf of my children, I am presenting a brand new house for you, worth 400 million, in downtown Abuja. Congratulations, Peller.
God bless you, sir. When we met at social wedding, I was totally inviting you to my wedding. I did not know that you come, I swear. But you surprised me. Inside your surprise, people dance. Mr. Oshasho, God bless you and your family. I love you guys so much. You give me and my wife a 400 million naira house in Abuja. I'm so grateful, sir. God bless you. No good die. Let us say today when I sit up you.
Ladies and gentlemen.